Hello, welcome to this video where I present to you one of the learning tracks at Benorine Institute of Technologies. My name is Bernard Chelongo, and in this video I will present to you the learning track Introduction to Programming with Python. At Benorine Institute of Technologies, we train tomorrow's software engineers. You learn to code from industry experts. You will learn the techniques, the tricks, and the tips that real software engineers use to develop software. In this track, you will start to learn how to think like a programmer, but using one of the most widely used, if not the most widely used programming language called Python, not a snake. It's called Python. It is very commonly used in many fields nowadays. You can use this in machine learning, data analytics, data science, and many other things. We will go from the fundamentals of Python programming. We'll learn the basics, the syntax, the data types, how to read files and write files, and how to do object-oriented programming with Python. You will learn to think like a programmer, to make the computer do things for you. Automation of tasks. It starts with you knowing how to program. If you know how to program, you can tell your computer to do a lot of things that you have never imagined. I would challenge you to really try this course and thank me later. This course will take 10 weeks and it requires no prerequisites. You don't need to know anything programming, computing before you start. If you already know, good for you. If you don't know, welcome. And it will cost you just $5,000. After this course, you can work as a Python developer. There are other roles. For example, if you already have knowledge in machine learning, then polishing your skills in Python development makes you a better machine learning engineer. If you already have knowledge in data science or you want to pursue data science in the future, then taking Python now will be the best thing that you have ever done in the pursuit of your dreams. If you want to work as a data analyst, Python is also very useful in that field. Python is also useful for those who are working with web development. There are some web development back-end frameworks that we call Django, which is very widely used, that is based on Python. In short, Python is programming for everyone. You can use it to do almost anything programming. We also use this for embedded systems. We use Python programming to program small micro chips and computers. So this is a very good track for anyone who wants to know coding. If you want to start to program, start with Python and you will not regret it. It's easy to start with and I will make it easier for you. Welcome to the course.